Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Okay, so here's the deal. If you're watching this video, then you likely have the same problem with your wife. She gets angry at the pettiest things. She complains about everything. She blames you for most things. She uses the silent treatment on you a lot. She almost never follows your lead and instead orders you around. She makes accusations that cut you deep. She gets angrier and angrier the more you try to appease her. If any of that sounds familiar, then guess what? Let's fix the problem today, once and for all. Sounds good to you? Great. Then be sure to watch all the way to the end of this video. It'll change your life for the better forever. I promise you. So let's get started, all right? Now, here's the thing about women that you must understand. A woman's complaint is content-free. You see, if your wife is angry at you, it's not because the things you do, but with who you are. It's all about who you are and not what you do that makes her angry. We'll dig a little further into this idea, but for now, help me out. Could you do me a big favor by clicking the like button? Help me and click like because that will really encourage me to create even more of these videos for you. Go ahead and click like because I'll wait here. Clicked like? Great, thank you. Let's continue. So here's the thing you must understand. Your wife will always test you. She does this so that your masculinity stays on track. And her tests will come in various nefarious forms. By getting angry at you, by bending your ear with her complaints, by blaming you, by accusing you, by teasing or insulting you, by disobeying you, by making you jealous, by being overdramatic, and other unexplainable female behavior. And when you react by getting emotional, or when you tolerate her behavior, or when you give in to what she wants, then guess what? You fail the test. Don't feel bad. It's not your fault at all. You don't know that you're being tested, right? And you know what? It's not just you. Most guys don't know they're getting tested all the time. And as a result, they fail their wives' tests over and over, and the relationship goes into a downward spiral. Meanwhile, there are some guys out there who do know about this. These are the husbands who actually thrive in their wives' tests. They know exactly what to do, and they pass the tests with flying colors. And as a result, their relationships are strong and healthy. Their wives are satisfied and happy, and raising their households and families seem almost effortless. The best part? When you know how to deal with an angry wife, she'll become less and less angry over time. And as a direct result, her tests decrease in frequency and intensity over time as well. Now, what does all this mind-blowing information tell you? It should tell you this. If your wife is angry, it's not because of something you said or did. Instead, she's angry for one reason. She's angry because you're getting weak. You're giving in to her too much. You're letting her take the lead in the marriage. You're not being the confident, dominant leader she needs you to be. You're making it harder and harder for her to respect your authority. And remember this, nothing stresses a woman out more than being tied to a weak man. So you'll need to change that, fast. So how do you deal with an angry wife? That's actually the second part of the problem. There's a right and wrong way of dealing with an angry wife. And guess what? Most guys do it wrong. So what's the fastest and easiest way to calm an angry wife? Do you just give in to what she says she wants? By now, you already know that's just a recipe for disaster. And that's precisely the problem with dealing with an angry wife. It's a band-aid solution to one of the biggest, most fundamental marriage problems. It's like trying to put out a wildfire with a squirt gun. Instead, go to the root of the problem. Become what a wife really needs. A strong, dominant husband she can count on for the rest of her life. And this is a hard pill for nice guys to swallow. Being dominant means being willing and able to inflict emotional stress on your wife, especially when she's giving you one of her tests. But you know what? It's not cruel. It's biological. It's how Mother Nature herself designed biological creatures to be trained. She wants you to dominate her. Think about it. How do you train something or someone to follow your lead? I'm talking about pets, dogs, cats, horses, etc. Children, your staff at the office, greenhorn sailors or fishermen, young untrained soldiers, your angry wife. Answer: you train them by correcting what they're doing wrong, and most times that involves inflicting emotional stress, imposing your will, threatening and sometimes delivering punishment, giving ultimatums, withholding expected benefits, and more. That's the key. But in case your imagination is running wild over what to do next, then let me make things simple for you. Next, you'll learn an extremely effective way to handle your wife using mind control. Before we do that, here's something I want you to do for me. If you like what you're seeing so far in this video, subscribe to my channel so that you keep getting these videos from me. Now find the subscribe button and click it if you haven't subscribed yet. Do it because I'll wait here. Done subscribing to my channel? Great, let's continue. Here's what's going to happen next. You'll learn how to use a mind control technique known as fractionation on your wife. Fractionation is a technique that puts your wife on an emotional roller coaster. It tricks her mind into developing an emotional addiction to you, and as a result, make her subservient to you. Expect her to do a complete turnaround. She will never be angry anymore. Instead, she will become more emotionally stable, more proactive, more responsible for her words and actions, more conversational, completely subservient to his will and authority, more respectful of his time and preferences, sweeter and more attentive, more appreciative of his hard work and thoughtfulness. That's the power of fractionation. Sounds great, right? If you're stuck with an angry wife and don't know what to do next, then I strongly suggest you learn fractionation, and fast. Guess what? The best way to learn fractionation and how to use mind control on women is through Rake's online Masterclass. You'll learn all about Rake's Masterclass in a while. For now, remember this. There's only one way to make your angry wife happy again, and that's to become the strong, dominant leader she needs you to be, right now. Take that important first step. Learn fractionation, use it on her, and make her respect you again. So here's what to do next. A link will now appear in this video. Click on it. A page will come up where you'll enter your details for Rake's online masterclass. Then wait for the instructions to be sent to your email. Click on the link. Do it now.